in. Appreciate y'all for being, you know, just interested in what I got to say and trusting in my knowledge. And I promise not to steer you in the wrong direction. So I want to give y'all a quick tool. A lot of y'all know my homie FlightReacts. A lot of y'all are big fans of him. If you don't know who Flight is, look him up. It's my dog. So Flight does reactions. Flight blew up off of reactions. A lot of people don't know how to do reactions. A lot of people don't know the easiest way. A lot of people don't know the way that, you know, you're able to upload 5 videos in one day or 10 videos in one day. You also may know another creator, other creators named DMB Nation. When they first started, they was doing 15 reactions a day. Now you want to know how you able to do 15 videos a day? Every time I tell somebody I drop 3 videos a day, they mind blown. How do you do that? How do you do that? Very, very easy. I'm gonna give you a tool that you can use right now. Some of you might know this already, but a lot of you may not. So let me know. You can go on any computer, any Windows, Mac, anything. It's this the icon right here. So you'll basically just go into Google and you'll type in Streamlabs OBS. Now this site right here, I mean, this app, it's an app. So this app is very, 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 very useful. All I do for my reactions, you got to get you a little webcam. You can buy your little webcam, Logitech. This shit is only like $30. Grab you one of those, put it on top of your laptop or whatever you're using to make your videos on, download OBS, and then you go over here to this plus sign right here. Go over to this plus sign, and then you hit, video capture device. And then once you click that, add source, and then you add your webcam or whatever. And that way you can drag your webcam around, so I can drag this wherever I want to drag it to and all that other stuff, all that good stuff. And then you come over here and you got your mixer, you got your desktop audio, you got your mic, your webcam, all of that. Make sure you have your desktop audio set right, and you have your mic ready to go, and you can react. Now, all I do, and I'll be getting more in detail and more private messages and shit like that. I'll be sending messages to people that really, really want to know like different types of things and in detail of what I'm talking about. But basically what I'm saying is I try to make these videos as short as possible. If you want to do reactions and you want to create a lot of reactions, remember this: the more videos, the more money you make. The more videos you make, the more ads you're able to put on the video without being annoying, which creates more revenue. So Streamlabs, the key is to upload as much as possible. You know, a lot of people might tell you quality over quantity. Not when you're starting up. We're trying to get into the algorithm. We don't have time to post once a week. We don't have time to post twice a day. I mean, we don't have time to post twice a week. We don't have time to post 3 times a week. We got to post every single day. So sometimes you might not have time to be editing and stuff like that. And that's what Streamlabs OBS come into. So download Streamlabs OBS if you want to do reactions. It's super duper easy. You can get copyrighted for music, so be careful for that. But that's what I use to do my reactions, and I literally don't edit a thing. And the files are very small, so they upload.